Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome to our guide on juice and smoothie recipes that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also help you achieve a natural cleanse. Looking to shed those extra pounds without starving yourself? Tired of feeling sluggish and bloated? Let's dive into refreshing juice and smoothie recipes that will help cleanse your body, boost your metabolism, and leave you feeling revitalized. First up, let's talk about the benefits of a natural cleanse. It's more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle change. A natural cleanse helps flush out toxins, improves digestion, and kickstarts weight loss. It's like hitting the reset button for your body. Plus it keeps your skin glowing and energy levels high. Imagine waking up every day feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the world. Sounds awesome, right? Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Recipe time. We have some amazing juice and smoothie recipes lined up for you. Our first detox juice is the green cleanser. This juice is a powerhouse of nutrients. You'll need 1 cucumber, 2 celery stalks, 1 green apple, 1/2 lemon, juiced, and a small piece of ginger. Ginger adds a nice zing and is great for digestion. Throw all these into your blender and voila, you have a delicious, nutrient-packed juice. This green cleanser juice is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and digestion-friendly enzymes. It's a great way to start your day. It helps eliminate bloating and speeds up fat burning. Perfect for those looking to trim down. Next, we have the tropical fat burner. You'll need 1 cup pineapple, 1 orange, peeled, 1/2 lemon, juiced, 6 mint leaves, and 1 cup coconut water. Coconut water is incredibly hydrating and adds a tropical twist. Blend it all up and enjoy. This juice is like a vacation in a glass. This tropical fat burner is hydrating, refreshing, and loaded with vitamin C to boost metabolism while keeping you hydrated. It's perfect for a hot day. Now let's switch gears to smoothies. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in nutrients and keep you full. First, the berry protein booster. You'll need 1/2 cup strawberries, 1/2 cup blueberries, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that's rich in vitamins. And 1 scoop protein powder. Protein powder helps in muscle recovery and keeps you satiated. Blend and enjoy this delicious powerhouse. It's a burst of berry goodness. It's a perfect post-workout smoothie, rich in antioxidants and muscle-repairing protein. Ideal for recovery. Last but not least, the green fat burner smoothie. You'll need 1 cup spinach, 1/2 avocado, 1 TVSP chia seeds. Chia seeds are a superfood packed with omega-3 fatty acids. And 1 cup coconut water. Coconut water adds a refreshing base to this smoothie. Blend these up for a smoothie that's a powerhouse for healthy fats and fiber, keeping you full while burning belly fat. It's a great meal replacement. To maximize results, stay hydrated, eat clean, exercise regularly, and avoid processed sugars. These small changes can make a big difference. Small changes lead to big results. Consistency is key to achieving your health goals. Try these delicious juices and smoothies today. They're easy to make and incredibly beneficial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.